Right guys, I'm Harry Mills from Supreme Scoots and doing another how-to video. This time how to take off your bars and put them back on and correctly put on a shim and oversized clamp onto normal size bars. So basically all you're going to need for this is a 5mm Allen key. Right here. You're going to want to loosen your clamp. You don't have to take the bars out. You don't have to take the bolts out. That's tightening it. Don't want to take the bolts out. Just loosen off the clamp. Again, your hands might get oily. Difficult because I'm tightening it the wrong way, loosening it. I don't know what I'm going on about. Okay, quad clamps, obviously the best clamps. Unless you can get an SCS or HIC clamp. Quads are definitely the best clamp. This here being a rat clamp, which we bought earlier on today. Cost only £10, so it comes with a shim. Rat stuff, love it, love rat stuff. Don't think you can beat it, to be honest. A lot of people say that you need to run compression through the forks and everything, but okay, so once you loosen your collar clamp, you know that it's loose enough because it'll just aimlessly turn. This one does. So what you want to do is you want to take your index finger and your thumb, place it around your headset, take your other palm, wrap it around your bars, give it a twist, and bars should come off really easily if you regularly grease your forks. Okay, so once your bars are off, what you want is to get the some WD-40 or lubricant. Just want to quick flick over your forks. Right. So that's it to take your bars off. To put them back on, basically it's exactly the same. You just want your bars with your collar clamp. Oh, forgot to mention actually, with your collar clamp, if it doesn't come off, it needs to be loose, so this one will. With your collar clamp, sometimes you can get an oversized clamp with a shim, which is basically just a piece of metal, rounded cylinder piece of aluminium. And what that does basically is alter your clamp to normal size or alter your bars to oversize. It doesn't matter which way you look at it really. Basically you'll always have, whether you cut your bars down or not, it doesn't matter, you must have had this in. It's like a slot in your bars, it's a slit. And what you want to do, that slit there, what you want is there's also a slit in the shim. You want that slit in line with the other slit on the bars. Slide it on, pull it level. Oh. Like that. Just push it there. Like that. And then, obviously, take your collar clamp. And again, there's a slit in your clamp where the bolts go through. That's got to be in line with the other two. Just push that on nicely. Okay, then basically, just again, bring your headset. After lubricating it, they just drop on, they just slide on. Dead easy. Okay, and then all you want to do is line your hooks up. retighten your clamp, obviously making sure all the slits are in line. Like I said before, it does matter because your bars won't tighten if they're not all in line. And just tighten your clamp. So, tighten. Do it bolt by bolt. Don't try like doing one bolt in one hand and another in another because you'll end up messing it up. Just don't try and multitask whilst putting a scooter together, trust me. Just it really is this simple. Just tighten this one. Really easy thing to do. It's nothing difficult. This also works if you're changing bars. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to change your bars because you obviously just do the exact same, but you don't put the same bars back on. And you obviously use the clamp of your choice. I'm just showing you how to install that onto your bars. It's quite easy. Just tighten up your bolts. Workbench helps. Again, said that many a time. Phone. Okay, so once that's done, just loosen off whatever you're working on, or just take it, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching the video, guys. And again, as I mentioned last time, got a little challenge for you. Can you find a bearing bigger than this? 32mm. Can you find one bigger? There's a prize if you do. Some K2 bearings, 4. So if you can find a bearing bigger than that, then the K2s are yours. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment or anything if you'd like to buy a scooter off us. In our next few videos, I might be posting a phone number to sell some things to you. But until then, guys, I've just dropped a bolt, and that's me out.